Jason Gerlot, all the way from Tangil, Laguna.
Hi, I'm Margaret Sister Hernan from Pangan, Laguna, 23 years old. I became Laguna 2019, as well as Mr. Grand Philippines Laguna 2023 second runner-up. I became Laguna top 10 finalist, as well as I became Mr. Friendship International Philippines 2023 ambassador. And I'm actually graduate as Bachelor of Science in Food Technology in Laguna State Polytechnic University last year. And I'm actually as an aspiring artist at Under Management, Dragons Management, Balance, Production, and Productions. So that's it.
Candidate number 19. Good afternoon. Yes, hello, good afternoon. What do you consider for yourself as your best asset? You can choose or you want. The best asset.
Well, I believe that is my lips, because when I always look in the mirror, I always see the smile of my mother, who's working abroad, and I don't see her in my like attending in my birthday. But they always told me that when I always smile, they always they always see the smile of my mother, and I think that is my best asset.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Very contagious way you smile. So you smile always, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
So you joined a lot of pageants na before.
Yes, ma'am.
But this is your first national pageant.
This is actually my second national pageant. I became Mr. Friendship International Philippines Ambassador 2020.
So dahil marami ka ng experience sa pageant, how does it feel? You feel more confident na makukuha mo yung crown ng Mr. Grand Philippines 2024?
I'm actually looking forward to get the title, but I always see that those candidates are very, that there are very different personality that actually in some point there's some instances na they like how do you call this? Ano ba tawag ko? Meron silang kakaibang personality na nakakaangat sa iba, which is I can definitely say na I'm very confident na I can get the title.
So it's just a criteria to is talent. Do you have any talent?
Yes, bro. I can dance, I can sing, and actually I can acting.
Can we see you dance?
Of course.
Do you have a song that you like to dance to?
Kahit ano po.
Any
You wish for it, kahit ano. We have Promasculados.
Ayaw yan.
Parang pop song, gano'n, or mas
pagkabataan ng co-host natin, parang medyo nalalanla.
Kumain mo naman ako mga.
Okay, kuha naman ako.
May little resemblance to Mateo Pirici.
Any more questions?
Considering that you joined a lot of pageants already, there are two criteria here that I want you to answer in one question. Tell us about your advocacy, and then tell us about your social media presence. Anong yung mga pinapost mo?
Well, my advocacy is actually mental health awareness. We're actually gaining different person who have experienced a mental health disorder, but actually it's kind of what you call this. It's kind of confidential, so that's why I cannot share their story. But what I post on social media, it's actually looking forward to be a good role model to every person who experienced mental health disorder at some point during their life, and actually looking back as what we teach as a person. What I posted is my personality as being who you are, as they can see as how confident I am as a person. So that's why I'm looking forward to adopt as a person who have experienced mental health disorder.
Hey bro, last question for me.
Sure, Papi.
Speaking of good role model, how to be a good role model?
A good role model. It's actually giving as a person who can be a good role model as a person, as you can show to the younger generation that you can stand on your own feet and be the better version of yourself.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much to our candidate number 18. 19, I'm sorry. Candidate number 19.
Yes.
So I just want to gentle